The internet is on the verge of a major transformation. Imagine an AI so advanced that it reshapes how we work, communicate, and create. OpenAI's latest breakthrough, O3, is not just an upgrade but a complete game changer. This isn't just another AI model, it's a disruptive force that could redefine digital interactions. What makes O3 so revolutionary? How does it work, and why should we care? Let's dive in. O3 is not merely an incremental improvement over OpenAI's previous models. It signifies a radical departure from conventional AI architectures. Unlike static machine learning models, O3 operates dynamically, learning in real time and generating content with a level of sophistication that challenges the distinction between human and artificial cognition. Consider an AI capable of coding at an expert level, crafting journalistic pieces with nuanced insight, and producing hyper-realistic visual content, all within seconds. What truly sets O3 apart is its capacity for self-optimization. Traditional AI models undergo periodic training and updates, limiting their ability to adapt on the fly. O3, however, continuously refines itself, leveraging each interaction to enhance precision and contextual awareness. It is, in essence, an AI that never ceases to evolve, consistently improving, accelerating, and optimizing its performance. O3 is built upon OpenAI's most sophisticated neural architecture to date, integrating cutting-edge deep learning methodologies with vast computational resources. Unlike earlier iterations that relied exclusively on pre-trained datasets, O3 employs live learning techniques, allowing it to interpret real-time data, anticipate emerging trends, and proactively adapt to evolving user needs. Its key innovations include, first, multimodal capabilities. O3 is not confined to text-based interactions. It can process and generate images, videos, and interactive 3D environments with remarkable fluidity. Second, its reasoning and problem-solving faculties are unparalleled. Rather than merely regurgitating information, O3 synthesizes knowledge, models complex scenarios, and provides high-level analytical insights across disciplines. Third, it is designed for seamless integration within existing digital infrastructures. From enterprise applications to web services, O3 can serve as the backbone of AI-driven automation across a multitude of industries. Why is O3 a groundbreaking innovation? Because it is poised to revolutionize the operational dynamics of numerous industries. In content creation, for instance, O3 eliminates the barriers of time and expertise. It can generate high-quality scripts, design graphics, and edit videos with professional-level precision, all in real time. This will fundamentally alter the workflows of writers, designers, and marketers, enabling unprecedented levels of efficiency and creativity. In business environments, AI-driven automation will redefine customer service, financial forecasting, and strategic decision-making. O3's machine learning algorithms can analyze vast data sets, optimize product development, and enhance operational efficiencies with minimal human oversight. And in software development, O3's capacity to write, debug, and optimize code autonomously introduces an entirely new paradigm for engineering teams. It is akin to having an AI-powered workforce available 24/7, capable of executing complex programming tasks with remarkable accuracy. However, with such transformative potential comes significant ethical and societal considerations. The proliferation of O3 extends beyond efficiency. It brings forth profound questions regarding labor markets, ethics, and digital security. Will AI-driven automation displace human workers in creative and technical fields? If O3 can generate written content, compose music, and design visual media with human-like proficiency, what role remains for human artists and knowledge workers? Additionally, the capacity of O3 to produce hyper-realistic media introduces concerns regarding misinformation and digital manipulation. The proliferation of AI-generated deepfakes will complicate the distinction between authentic and fabricated content, posing significant challenges for media verification and public discourse. Another critical issue is AI bias and data integrity. Despite its advanced learning mechanisms, O3 is fundamentally reliant on the data it processes, which may contain inherent biases or inaccuracies. How do we ensure responsible deployment of AI systems that do not perpetuate harmful narratives or misinformation? Perhaps the most pressing concern pertains to control and accessibility. If a handful of corporations monopolize the most powerful AI systems, what are the implications for digital autonomy and equitable technological access? Despite these challenges, one fact remains indisputable. O3 marks the beginning of a new technological epoch. It is a tool with the potential to augment human capabilities, or if mismanaged, to disrupt entire economic and societal structures. The internet is evolving, and AI is the driving force behind this transformation. The critical question is, are we prepared for the ramifications? Are we entering an era of unprecedented innovation? Or are we stepping into a future where artificial intelligence exerts pervasive influence over human decision-making? What do you think? Is O3 the most significant breakthrough in AI history? Or does it signal a technological shift that demands caution and regulation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to watch this next video about Figure New Humanoid Robot.